Every day you rise. It seems simple enough, but you just don't know. Maybe you have an idea, but you don't know. You can't be sure what will happen on the other side of that door. Or this door. Or that one. I guess that's a door. Sure. Behind it could be a friendly face, or a teenage runaway, or Mr. Garrison, who called to complain about the neighbors. But it probably isn't. And you know that. You feel it. But you still turn the handle. You rise to the challenge, and we salute you for it. And we're pulling for you, day by day, door by door, to the most important door of all. Rise.